Hello, good evening. Welcome to .programming.blogspot.com. Today I will show you jQuery autocomplete list show focus on focus example. So here we have some scripts and CSS file library. This is the CSS library code.jquery.com UI 1.12.2. You can download this by using official site of the jQuery. So in this tutorial I will show you a simple autocomplete list of the names. Okay, so first of all add some names into an array, and after that we can focus on the text box. Then autocomplete method is called, and that autocomplete method show that array of the items. This is the simple method to retrieve the list on focus. So first of all copy all such things, all files in the HTML page in the header section. Okay, so there is no logic behind that this tutorial. Simple jQuery provide a method that is autocomplete method. By using this method we can retrieve any names, any variable, any array, and any list. So you can do this example by using on click and on focus. So here I will show you on focus. Okay, so input type equals to text, and you know about the HTML5 placeholder control. So simple, if you want to give the simple watermark text in a text box, then use the placeholder. Okay, so ID is must, because that selector is used to retrieve that text box in the jQuery. So placeholder is text box focus. Okay, use a script block and $, function. First of all make a array on when your page is load, so variable users, and make some dynamic array. Write the name of the users, Jacob Lefore, Bill, Smith, Wick, Ame, Rodriguez, Bill Smith. Okay, that's fine. Now get the text box by using their ID property, or you can say ID selector as the ID of the text box 1 dot autocomplete. Call the autocomplete method, in which we can call the source as well as minimum. The source, what is the source? Source is users, or you can say array, comma, mean length 0. Okay, when we focus on okay, so now on focus, used to on focus, autocomplete is autocomplete, but the when we click on function, I mean to say focus on the text box, then call that autocomplete. So $, for this dot autocomplete, again autocomplete. in which we can pass the search comma this. Okay, that's fine. Now save this and run this. Right click it on it, view in browser. This is the simple example to demonstrate it here. jQuery autocomplete list show on focus example. Okay, that is the placeholder control. When write something here, first of all Jacob Lefore. Okay, so now change when we focus on it, and there are the list Jacob Lefore, Smithwick selected. Again when we focus on it, again the list is appear. There are the list. You can do this by using the database. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Please keep watching my all other